Hello, welcome to Highland Vibes Travel. How can I help you today?
Hi, I'm planning a trip to the Philippines next month, and I heard great things about El Nido. Can you tell me more about it?
Absolutely. El Nido is one of the most beautiful destinations in the Philippines. It's known for its limestone cliffs, crystal clear waters, and highland hopping tours, perfect for nature lovers and beachgoers.
Oh, sounds amazing. Is it easy to get there from Manila?
There are two options. You can fly directly to El Nido via Air Swift. It's more expensive but convenient. The other option is to fly to Puerto Princesa and then take a 5 to 6 hours van or bus ride to El Nido. It's more affordable but takes longer.
Ah, I probably go with the direct flight to save time. What are the top things to do once I'm there?
Great choice. The main highlight is Highland Hopping. There are four main tours: A, B, C, and D. Tour A is the most popular with stuff like the Big Lagoon, Small Lagoon, and Secret Lagoon. You can also go kayaking, snorkeling, or even diving.
Oh, nice. Are the tours all day activities?
Yes, they usually start around 9 a.m. and return by 4 p.m. Lunch is included, usually grilled seafood, rice, and tropical fruits served on the beach. Very local and fresh foods.
That sounds perfect. How many days do you recommend staying?
At least 3 to 4 days. This give you enough time for 2 or 3 island hopping tours and some downtime to explore the town or just relax on the beach.
What about accommodation? Are there any beach resort?
Definitely there's range from budget hostels to luxury resorts like Pangulashan Island Resort. If you want something mid-range with great views, I recommend staying near Korong Korong or Kaalan Beach.
Handsome. Is El Nido safe for solo travelers?
Yes, it is very safe. Just follow the usual precaution. Don't leave your belongings unattended and use licensed tour operators. The locals are very friendly and helpful.
Thanks. This helps a lot. Can I book the tour package through you?
Of course, I can create a custom itinerary for you, including flights, transfers, accommodation, and island tours. Would you like to send you a sample package?
Yes, please. That will be great.
Perfect. I email it to you within the hour. And if you have any question or want to tweak the itinerary, just let me know.
Thank you so much. I'm really excited now.
You're very welcome. El Nido is a paradise. You're going to love it. Thank you.